Developments in the age of cultural interface and interpretation, from around 1000 CE to around 1500 CE. The three key developments I want to discuss in this 500-year period are inventions, the discovery of the Americas, and colonialism. Two inventions I want to talk about are the printing press and gunpowder. Gunpowder, which was invented in Imperial China, revolutionized military strategy and warfare. It led to the subsequent development of explosives like dynamite, which could also be used for mining, and the firearm, which completely changed how battles and wars were fought. The printing press was invented in the Middle Ages in Europe and raised the literacy rates of the common person. It also led to the continued spread of religion, as religious texts like the Bible could be mass-produced and spread. The next development is the discovery of the Americas by Christopher Columbus in the 15th century. He believed that the earth was in fact round and that he could sail west until he reached India, allowing for new trade routes to be established. While he failed to find India, he did discover the Americas. His discovery would lead to the Spanish conquest and later to Dutch, French, and English colonies, eventually leading to the United States. The pursuit of God, gold, and glory would lead to the devastation of the native empires like the Inca and the Aztecs. Europeans would introduce them to new diseases and animals like the horse, and the Americas would bring crops like tomatoes and potatoes, and most importantly, it would bring gold back to Europe. The last key development is colonialism. Trade routes like the Indian Ocean introduced Europeans to Asian goods. This taste for Asian goods led to the Portuguese sailing around the tip of Africa to establish a spice trade with India. The Dutch would go on to do the same, with a Ford the English eventually came out on top, colonizing India. Although European colonialism is the most well-known example, many empires and countries practiced colonialism throughout history. An example of this in the East would be Japan's colonization of Korea.